Hello there! Did you know that there's a farm in Carmen, Cebu whose aim is to help the farmers by providing jobs, free electricity, free water supply, and free shelter? The farm's mission is to help protect the environment from destruction by planting more trees, develop agricultural lands using organic protocol, and by buying the adjacent lands as much as they could in order to protect it from land developers who converts it into commercial spaces, which creates permanent damage to the environment. Let me give you a quick tour to the farm. Our poultry farm building has maximum capacity to produce 25,000 chickens in 30 days.
The dragon fruit section has 1,000 posts and expected to produce 10 tons per year once full grown.
We have just started our beekeeping project and added 2 colonies of Apis mellifera in our bee section, expected to produce 60 kilos of honey per year and pollen, which is good for your health.
We have almost 200 calamansi bearing trees, which is our main source of vitamin C.
We have a lot of ornamental plants thanks to our mother, who is so passionate in planting.
Welcome to our small rest house, and here we relax and enjoy the nature.
This river is our source of water for our plants and for cleaning our poultry.
We have 4 springs in the area, which is our source of water for drinking and for domestic use.
Yugi ko mga tuta sa bukid at tuta dito slami ang hangin sa lugar nga tuta sa langit. Dili ta maristurbo dito kay kita tanduhan.
GKG Farm has a total of 5 hectares of land and counting. We are utilizing it using organic protocol combined with integrated farming method. GKG Farm was first established in 2004 when my father decided to quit sailing and spend his time with his family. At first, it was a pure chicken farm, but with my father's vision, he also planted fruit-bearing trees like lanzones, durian, rambutan, bananas, cacao, mangosteen, calamansi, and a lot more. Now we, the next generation, are benefiting from the hard work of our parents. As our farm grows, so as our products.
Our latest product, which we are proud of and even noticed by Sunstar News, is our dragon fruit milkshake, which was created in the midst of the pandemic. The aim is to be able to provide a nutritious drink which could help boost the immune system.
We have a lot of fruit-bearing trees for mass production.
The next big thing that we are very excited to produce soon is the honeybee products, which is being used by some hospitals in Cebu to help prevent and fight COVID.
We, the GKG Farm, can pursue with our goals in helping the farmers of Carmen, Cebu on our own.
By buying GKG products, we can continue with our mission.
Every peso you spent on our farm produce is being shared to the farmers, which is used in providing more jobs, free food, and free shelter.
I would like to invite you all to come and visit our small hidden paradise and be part of our GKG community and family.
Welcome to GKG Farm!